At Wallpaperdirect, we believe transforming your space should be beautiful and simple. In this guide, we walk you through how to hang paste-the-wall wallpaper with confidence. Make sure your wall is clean, dry and smooth. Fill in any holes or cracks and sand it lightly if needed. The best surface to apply paper to is lining paper. If your walls are a darker colour, we recommend cross-lining, which you can see in our lining video, to avoid any colour showing through. If you are applying lining paper, check out our how-to video. If not, use a wallpaper primer sealer product to make sure the wall is ready for the paste to adhere to. Check the labels on all your rolls of wallpaper before you start, checking all batch numbers match, and make a note of the repeat. Measure and mark a plumb line. Get your first piece straight. Few walls are truly square or perfectly vertical. To overcome this and avoid your pattern going askew, mark lightly with a pencil some guide marks from ceiling to skirting against a plumb line or long spirit level, adjacent to where the first length is to hang. This step is especially important in older homes where walls may not be square. Decide where you want your pattern to appear below your ceiling and measure 2 inches, 5 centimetres above it, and then measure the length, cutting an additional 2 inches, 5 centimetres at the bottom to allow your trimming. Look at the pattern, it will not always come off the roll top first. Use any flat surface to measure your lengths. For plain papers, mark the back of paper using a light pencil mark with a T to identify the top. Now, apply wallpaper adhesive directly onto the wall with a roller and/or brush, just wider than 1 strip at a time. Make sure you are generous with the paste and not to miss any of the wall around the edge and corners. With paste-the-wall wallpaper, there's no need for soaking, it's cleaner and quicker. If you prefer to paste the paper, then you can. Even with a paste-the-wall product, you will just need to ensure you have a pasting table or flat surface that is long enough to lay your length onto it. You will also need to fold the pasted paper in a concertina to ensure that the paste doesn't end up on you or on the surface of the paper, as it could damage the finish if not removed. If you're using a paste-the-paper product, then make sure to leave the paper to soak in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Align the wallpaper with the pencil guidelines and press it onto the pasted section. Using a smoothing tool to remove any bubbles, working from the centre outwards. Use a straight edge between the paper and the knife to trim the excess of the skirting and ceiling. Make sure the knife is sharp to ensure a clean cut. If using a snap-off blade, change the blade regularly. You can use scissors into the corner. Make sure you clean the top and bottom with a clean, damp sponge, removing any paste. And that's it. Hanging wallpaper takes a bit of patience and some handy tools, but it's totally achievable. Now head over to our video on how to wallpaper those tricky bits, covering wallpaper around sockets and inside corners.